Seamless replacement. This tail light circuit board directly replaces the circuit board that comes stock on specified vehicles' tail lights. Easy installation. Simply detach the failed circuit board and plug in this one. Required repair. Tail light won't function without replacing a melted circuit board. Excellent value. Part matches performance of the original equipment at lower cost than going back to the dealership. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Tail light not working because the circuit board burned out? This tail light circuit board seamlessly replaces the failure-prone circuit board that comes stock on certain vehicle years, makes and models, restoring light function. Vehicle model years this part fits. Be sure to check your vehicle trim using the Amazon Garage Avalanche. Top reviews from the United States. Got my Escalade tail lights working again for the low. Bought this Dorman part on Amazon for under $15 delivered. The OEM GM part lists for $64. Got my 2005 Escalade tail lights working properly again with this part. Took about 5 to 10 minutes to replace. Very happy to have my lights working properly once again for the low. I only installed part yesterday, so I will update this review if the part goes bad quickly. Happy so far though.